Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with a Bosch boiler flashing the error code D3 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This code typically signals an issue with ignition or flame detection, which can be frustrating, especially during those chilly months. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to troubleshoot it yourself. Let's dive in. First off, error code D3 usually indicates that your boiler isn't detecting a flame properly. Common causes include a faulty ignition electrode, problems with the gas supply, or even a blocked condensate trap. It could also stem from electrical issues or sensor malfunctions. Before you start, always prioritize safety. Turn off the power and gas supply to avoid any risks. Now, let's get to the fixes. Step 1. Reset your boiler. Simply switch it off at the mains for a few minutes, then turn it back on. This might clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check for any obvious issues like a tripped circuit breaker or low gas pressure. Make sure your gas valve is fully open. Next, inspect the ignition components. Carefully look for dirt or debris on the spark electrode. If it's dirty, gently clean it with a soft brush. Also, ensure there's no blockage in the flue or condensate pipe, as this can prevent proper ventilation. If you're comfortable, you can use a multimeter to test the flame sensor for continuity, but if not, it's time to call in a professional. Remember, while these steps can resolve many D3 errors, some problems might require expert help, especially if it involves gas leaks or internal wiring. Always follow your boiler's manual and local regulations. There, you've got it. Simple solutions for a common issue. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and keep that boiler running smoothly. Thanks for watching.